At the launch.
At the launch.
Unveil.
Unveil.
Product.
Product.
Demonstration.
Demonstration.
Consumers.
Consumers.
Favorably.
Favorably.
Receive.
Receive.
Rental.
Rental.
Deposit.
Deposit.
Cover.
Cover.
Equipment.
Equipment.
Damage.
Damage.
Repairing.
Repairing.
Cost.
Cost.
Registered.
Registered.
Clients.
Clients.
Majority.
Majority.
Pay.
Pay.
Dues.
Dues.
Regularly.
Regularly.
Service.
Service.
Contract.
Contract.
Adopt.
Adopt.
Strategy.
Strategy.
Largely.
Largely.
Positive.
Positive.
Reaction.
Reaction.
Opinion.
Opinion.
Disregard.
Disregard.
Effort.
Effort.
Coupon.
Coupon.
Purchase.
Purchase.
Discount.
Discount.
Financial.
Financial.
Incentive.
Incentive.
Encourage.
Encourage.
Continued.
Continued.
Patronage.
Patronage.
In need of.
In need of.
Untapped market.
Untapped market.
Meet the needs of.
Meet the needs of.
Daily commuters.
Daily commuters.
Mastermind.
Mastermind.
Stagnant.
Stagnant.
Dramatically.
Dramatically.
Brisk.
Brisk.
Unstable.
Unstable.
Rapidly.
Rapidly.
Assert.
Assert.
Potential.
Potential.
Analyst.
Analyst.
Pleased.
Pleased.
Soar.
Soar.
Remain.
Remain.
Boost.
Boost.
Limited.
Limited.
Costly.
Costly.
Particular.
Particular.
Drastic.
Drastic.
Evenly.
Evenly.
Evidence.
Evidence.
Prospect.
Prospect.
Indicator.
Indicator.
Director.
Director.
Likely.
Likely.
Lead.
Lead.
Boom.
Boom.
Period.
Period.
Fall.
Fall.
Consequence.
Consequence.
Substitute.
Substitute.
Prosperity.
Prosperity.
Fairly.
Fairly.
Economical.
Economical.
Thrive.
Thrive.
Adversity.
Adversity.
Depression.
Depression.
Implication.
Implication.
Wane.
Wane.
Government.
Government.
Grant.
Grant.
Renewable.
Renewable.
Dwindle.
Dwindle.
Calamity.
Calamity.
Promising.
Promising.
Career.
Career.
Impede.
Impede.
purchase,
purchase,
air conditioner,
air conditioner,
price,
price,
affordable,
affordable,
notice,
notice,
installment,
installment,
installation,
installation,
exactly,
exactly,
experienced,
experienced,
expert,
expert,
instruction,
instruction,
warranty,
warranty,
carefully,
carefully,
delivery,
delivery,
refund,
refund,
receipt,
receipt,